What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Snowball coming back up at you with another video. I am here today with my wonderful girl, Rose, aka Kitten. Actually, she is my fiance, so
Hey.
she is unavailable and everything. And apparently, my cousin is about to walk in as well.
Oh
So
boy.
he's wanting to fuck with y'all. I can't really hear you for some reason because you're on this side of the mic. Go ahead and say it. I already got a dip in, motherfucker. Anyways, let's go ahead. Today, I apologize that we didn't post anything last week. I was extremely busy and trying to get everything set up. I just now was able to get Kitten her video showing, even though it was a pain in the ass. And I apologize for the high pitched noise. I don't know what the fuck that is. And yeah, so anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video, shall we? Alright, y'all, as I promised last time, we are going to be doing a video on how to upload a video to YouTube, how we do it and everything. So, first thing you want to do is you need to go, well, of course, have your account set up. And make sure that you have the appropriate picture, because for some reason, it does not want to change afterwards. I don't know why. It says you gotta change it with Google. I changed it with Google. It created a whole new separate fucking YouTube channel. And I don't understand that shit. Yeah. Well, you can't no more. On YouTube? It created you a new account then. Yeah. Yeah, it did. I'll show you in a bit. I'll show you. Anyways. First thing you want to, like I said, make sure you got everything right. And then we're on our main page right here. So as you can see, we got 89 subscribers. And like I said in the previous video, once we hit that 100 mark, subscriber mark, we will be doing a full 24-hour stream. It's going to be rough on both me and Kitten. She has never done that. So we're going to give it a try. Anyways, first thing you want to do is click this little camera button up here, and you could either do upload video or go live. First, we're going to show you how to do upload video. Going live, I'll do in a separate video. And then just follow the instructions. Basically, you hit this little up arrow thingamabobber. And then pick the video that you want to submit. I doubt that will. But anyways, for a full list of compatible video files, just check out our website, snowball7291.ucoz.site. And it should be in the link should be in the description below, and it should be on the screen right about now for you guys to see. But Anyways, then once you are uploading the video, you want to give it a title. Make sure it's something catchy. Basically, this is what's going to draw the viewers to the video. Now, when I do gameplay, I usually put something like what I've said or something like that. Like in one video, I put, "Where the fuck are they coming from?" Because I did not know where everyone was coming from. Another one where me and my cousin David did our XM or X whatever his username is. I can't think of it right now. XR95, XVR, I think. Oh yeah, DMX. Yeah, DMXR95. As y'all seen, we played Rocket League, and we were a bunch of fucking idiots, as always.
Mm-hmm.
But it was fun, and as you can see, I titled it as "Going Batshit Crazy." Monday, like Monday Night Gaming or something like that. Just something creative. And then in the description, you want to put all your, well, first put a brief description of what the video is. Video test. And then also, you want to put all your links and everything to your social media pages and everything on here. To make it clean and everything, this is how I do it. 2.91.ucoz.site. I always double click, I always double space it, and then put my Facebook page on it. So that's how I usually do it to make it look a little bit cleaner. To me, it looks a little cleaner. And tags, this is a very, very, very important part. Tags is what people use to search for videos. So if you're doing gaming, put gaming, put the game. I'm going to put Rocket League because that's what I've been playing. And always put a comma after it. That's what puts it in, and you can start a new tag. And make sure it's public. If you have playlists created, put it into a correct playlist. And then I usually, when doing gameplays, I go to advanced settings, nonprofit and activism, or gaming, or whatever. Gaming. And then the video language is English, of course. Recording date, I always put the recording date when I recorded the video. Or I try to, actually. I don't always succeed in that. I don't always look at my phone to see what day it is that I actually record. And if it is a game, make sure to put the game title in there so people can actually look it up and possibly get it as well. And no, it's not sponsoring the game or anything. It's just you want your viewers to be able to play fun games as well. So that's basically it for that. And you just hit publish. And then after you have published your video, let me go back to my home real quick. It's easier to go through your home page. Leave. And then you go to Creator Studio. This is how you keep an eye on all your views and everything. As you can tell, we have watch time, number of minutes, 3,859 minutes, views, 2,893, subscribers, more than 7. And then this is the most important part right here is the analytics. This will actually tell you where your viewers are from, the gender, and all that. Like most of my viewers are males between the ages of 18 and 24. And my computer's about dead. Hold on, y'all. Sorry about that. I guess I forgot to plug it in. Anyways, as you can see, here is where you can see which video has the most views and everything. As you can tell, our IMVU mobile tutorial is the most viewed and all that. So this is just a quick way to look at how many people who looks at it and everything. It's kind of good to check this on a daily basis. Like I check mine on a daily basis, or I try to. And it gives you an idea of what kind of content to put out, basically. And as you can tell, my average view has went down. That's because we haven't posted in a while. But it is what it is. So, but, oh, and one other thing I forgot to mention. When you're wanting to put a, when you're wanting to do a, what is that called? Thumbnail. There we go. I couldn't think of the word for a minute. Actually, I can just go do this way. Fuck it. Creator Studio. Edit. You always want to do a custom thumbnail. I usually use a basic meme generator that I have on my computer, or you can find many different things online. If you want me to go more in depth into as to how I do that and what I use, and even what I use for recording my videos, just let me know in the comments and I will do that. So, but in order to do that, you just hit custom thumbnail and then you select the thumbnail that you want and then you hit set as thumbnail and then it will set it as that. Try to be creative when you do the thumbnails because that is a major thing. People usually don't read that much. They like pictures. I don't know why, but it's true. They'll look at a picture and base whether they're going to watch it or not. And of course the end screen and annotations. This is just basically at the end you can put different elements and shit onto it. Like you can put your last video on it. Video. Get up there. Most recent. Choose a video. I always do choose a video. And then update for y'all. I'll select that one. Fuck it. And then you can put it anywhere that you want to. I also go into. I always scroll in wherever you want to say. Make sure to subscribe and all that. Just go there and hit the add element and hit the subscribe button. Or if you're promoting another channel, you just select the channel option. It ain't hard or anything. It's just a little time consuming. A lot of people think that making videos is extremely easy, and it's not. It takes a lot of work. So just make sure you're ready for that, and yeah. So anyways, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any more questions, let me know down in the comments below, and I will try to answer them as best as I can. Also, make sure to check out the website, and also we do have a Instagram now. It is Snowball Productions. We are actually going to be going live on there one of these days, in the next few days. I got to figure it out. My Instagram is not wanting to cooperate with live for whatever reason. So anyways, make sure if you haven't already to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. And until next time, I'm out, y'all.